Costa Rica, Switzerland, and some parts of Europe. Good evening. I am Attorney Juril Bruca Patino, Station Manager of Brigada News FM Cebu, in the heart of JTBI.
Yes! Maayong hapon sa tanan, kini partner ni Attorney Juril nga diya karon sa inyong katubangan. Kini si Attorney Atan Caminanin Villegas, nagagikan sa lungsod sa Argao, Bangkaisunan.
Alright, sarado kong i-introduce, of course, ang among mga Switzerland friends, no? Gikan sa Switzerland, nagagin sila kwarta, eh.
Nangutana sila, mga tao niyo?
Ha?
Nangutana sila, kinsa mo nang duha ka pariner sa gilid nila?
Oo, amigo mit mga foreigners, kaya mga kwartahan man eh. Kunya, aside from that, may bututlo na to, na mahibok dito kwartahan. Yan ano mga amigo nila? Ay, yung gusto, mahimo silang apang, oy. Ay, nakanta.
Di ba ni mga apang niyo, kaya Switzerland man.
Ayaw ka magbiganasin center. Anyway, atong iunang introduce from Switzerland, of course, the life coach, mentor, and you will be mentoring all of us, especially kung ganahan mo mga personality development, you want to change your life, you want to be a leader of yourself. I will introduce to you from Switzerland, of course, Sir Marco, SHP.
Round of applause.
Okay, I'm Marco Ingelfing from Switzerland. I am a trained registered life design coach. And I will coaching you tonight together with my old friends. Thank you, salamat.
Sapot. Ako nakasapot na ko na dukay, masiglig gulguyong ba? Oh, kasi ka ng slang, pero makasapot ka dito, no? Nakasapot na mo, Sir Marco, SHP.
Yes. At karon ako pong introduce ninyo ang partner ni Sir Marco Ising Smith, kauban ni Pirmi sa Kalabuan, wala lain, Sir Bruno Luciferger.
Hello, good evening. I have a secret. No, first I have a question for you. What's the difference between a millionaire and a poor person?
What's the difference between
a millionaire and a poor person?
a millionaire and a poor person?